Modern Christmas cookies can trace their history to recipes from medieval Europe biscuits, where many modern ingredients such as cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, almonds, and dried fruits were introduced into the West. By the 16th century, Christmas biscuit has become popular across Europe, with Lebkuchen being favored in Germany and pepperkakor in Sweden, while Norway crumcake was popular. The earliest example of Christmas cookies in the United States were brought by the Dutch in the early 17th century due to a wide range of cheap imported products from Germany between 1871 and 1906. Following a change to importation law, cookies clutters became available in American markets. These important cookie clutters often depicted highly stylish images with subjects designed to hang on Christmas trees. Due to the availability of these utensils, recipes began to appear in cookbooks designed to use them. In the early 20th century, US merchants were also importing decorated Lebkuchen cookies from Germany to be used as presents. In Canada and United States, since the 1930s, children have left cookies and milk on table for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. Though many people simply consume the cookies themselves, the cookies are often cut into the shape of candy canes, reindeer, holly leaves, Christmas trees, stars, or angels. Popular Christmas cookies are gingerbread, Bradley, Fettigman, crust crunches, crumb cake, reposteria, and sandbagels, as well as brinjal sugar cookies. So, starting from gingerbread, gingerbread has existed in some form since sugars and spices were brought back to Europe from soldiers in the Crusades. However, it was not until Queen Victoria and Prince Albert included it with a variety of other Christmas traditions that the gingerbread cookies became primarily associated with the Christmas. Gingerbread cookies are also traditional in Alsace. Bradley are Christmas cookies in Alsatian cuisine of France. A traditional cookie which dates from the Middle Age is Norway. Fettigman cookies are deep fried in the unsalted fat. Kerstkransjes are traditional Christmas cookies from the Netherlands. They are round with a hole in the middle. The most usual type uses almond chips as decoration. Crumbcakes are traditional cookies from Norway. They are originally baked over open fires using decorative irons. However, modern cooks use electric or stove-top irons to bake these wafer-thin biscuits. Crumbcakes owe their name, which means pancake or twisted cake, to the fact they are wrapped in a cone shape. Peppercakes are crisp, then ginger snap biscuits from Sweden, traditionally cut out in a flower and heart shapes. Reposteria is a Mexican type of shortbread-like cookie that is lightly baked and dipped into a cinnamon sugar blend until the sugar surrounds the cookie. These are often served with coffee or oat spice.